Hello, I'm Rich Regal with Sea Ray Boats, and I'm here today to talk about the all-new Sea Ray SLX 280 Outboard. This is an amazing new boat that clearly embodies the 5 pillars of Sea Ray. So when you think about inspired design, when you look at the whole shear line on this boat, the center crease and the iconic Sea Ray logo on the side, that is inspired design. And then meticulous craftsmanship. We'll walk through the boat and I'll show you how our plant employees at the Tellico facility in Tennessee do an amazing job of building an absolutely incredible boat as we walk through it here in just a few moments. So we'll start here on the transom of the boat and talk a little bit about the propulsion. So we packaged this boat with twin Mercury 250 horsepower Verados. That's 500 horsepower that's going to take the all-new SLX 280 to just over 50 miles an hour. Also, one of the advantages of using the Mercury outboards is we also package that with joystick piloting for outboards. That gives you all the benefits of super easy operation, skyhook digital anchor, and also autopilot auto heading. Here on the aft end of the boat, you can see this great big sun pad, but tons and tons of storage in this vessel. You can actually slide your lily pad, your water toys, your paddle boards, all the way up in for nice dry storage. Also here on the aft, you've got an insulated tub, so there's always a cold drink handy, and an integrated audio system that hides the rear speakers, so you've got plenty of sound while you're out in the water, but not clearly obvious where the speakers are at. You've also got your audio control, additional power outlets for your electronics, and LED backlit cup lights. As we move into the cockpit, you can see this large social zone, and one of the really cool things that I like about this boat is the ability to turn all of the seats around. So you're no longer just having to sit and face forward, but you can actually turn your seats and create this great social zone in and around the cockpit. So now not only can you've got your double seat helm here at the steering wheel, but now you've got a great place to sit, turn, and be part of the conversation. You can see here next to me, we have our nice little end table. So we have storage available here, soft side cooler, more cup holders, and one of the greatest things is I can take my cell phone, drop it right here on the wireless charger, and keep my electronics charged all day. Look out throughout this boat, you see tons and tons of storage, soft side cooler storage, additional tubs. One of the things with the boat is storage is very, very important, and anytime you bring friends and family, they're always bringing stuff with them. So with this SLX 280, there's a place for everything. We also want to make sure we can extend your day on the water. So you can see we've got a great, nice big step down head available with the vacuum flush system. So plenty of room to go down in. Also here, you've got lockable storage here as well, and an amazing helm system. So when you look here at the helm, this is packaged with twin 12-inch Simrad screens, full digital switching. Also, you can see our joystick piloting as well, and you can see a very clean, well thought out helm packaged with our Fusion audio system. As we move into the bow of the boat, you can see again, ample place for all your friends and family and tons of storage. This lifts up, clear storage down under the helm, and you've also got storage for your 2 teak tables, one that goes into the cockpit and one that'll fit here in the bow as well. And then we also package that with the windlass anchor system, so no more having to throw your anchor over and reel it in, push of a button, drop and set your anchor, and you're ready to wrap up for the day. This also is packaged with our 2nd generation power tower. So with this system, you've got a rear sunshade that you can take aft, but also with a push of a button, inclement weather or storage, you can easily drop your top as you move into the slip. So that's the all new SLX 280. Brand new for 2024. These boats will begin shipping in June and July of this year. Again, I'm Rich Regal with Sea Ray Boats, and thank you for joining me on the all new SLX 280 Outboard.